So, hello everybody. In this part, we are going to work on the second part of our grammar exam, which is mainly derived from TOEFL ITP exams. Here, we are supposed to find out the incorrect word or phrase. The questions in this part are commonly based on word formation skills, which is one of the most important skills both for speaking and writing. We might also come across with the wrong usage of prepositional phrases and phrasal verbs. However, today we're going to focus on forming adjectives. So, shall we start with the first question? In the first question, as you see, the first question, we were shown many promotion materials. I'm sorry, I have to... Okay, so we were shown many promotion materials at the meeting, but they were not very inspiring. Okay, so be careful. Many promotion materials. So here, as you see, it is noun. Materials is noun. So what we say, promotional materials. So the wrong answer is here, promotional. We need to write here promotional because two nouns don't come together. Değil mi arkadaşlar? Bir sıfat nedir? İsmi niteler. Doğal olarak da iki tane isim yan yana gelmez. So we need an adjective. Bir sıfat lazım bunun için. And let's check question number 2. Recently there have been some innovation and impressive plans to challenge the working environment. So as you see here, impressive plans. So this innovation should be innovative, right? So then it's going to be again an adjective, not a noun. And please remember, bu ion takıları nedir arkadaşlar? İsim yapan takılardır. Bu konuda eğer daha fazla bilgiye ihtiyacınız olursa benimle iletişime geçiniz. Bu konuda hazırlanmış bir hepinize özgü bir dersim var. Kendi öğrencilerimle de paylaştım. So, number 3, in the interest of the environment, our staff or office staff needs to change their waste habits. We are introducing an obligation code for recycle and cutting down on waste. İşte burada arkadaşlar bakın özellikle prepositional phrase dediğim ama işte böyle bir structure ile ilgili şeyler de gelebiliyor. Bunu özellikle hem de bir isim olması açısından buraya ekledim. Recycling. Arkadaki cutting down'ı görüyorsunuz. İşte buranın da bu şekilde recycling and cutting down on waste olması gerekiyor. Bu arada tekrardan hatırlatayım arkadaşlar. Sınavda bunu düzeltmekle değil, sadece altlarını çizmekle yükümlüsünüz. Ben burada ders olarak yaptığım için doğrularını size söylüyorum. The job was very repeated and as a result it quickly became very boring. Evet, burada da so repeated is an adjective. So tekrarlanan, right? But here we need to focus on another word which is not repeated. We say repetitive, which means it is very monotonous. So here I need to write it here, repetitive. So the correct word is not repeated. That is repetitive. Okay. And everybody was very excited when we were offered the contract, but I was a little doubted it would go ahead. Now, in fact, I adopted. So here, it can't be a verb here. I was. So what I need to do is, here, I should write, I was doubtful, right? The adjective form, I was doubtful. Our new director is not very indecisive. He needs to play a more active role in the day-to-day running of the company. So be careful. Indecisive means somebody who can't decide. So what we say, kararsız. So here, look at this. is not very, çok da kararsız değil diyor. So here we need to use an adjective, but this should be decisive, not indecisive. And computer software designers need to be far more invited if they want to keep up with the changing market. So here I just wanted to focus on one of the confusion words: invited, invention, inventive, etc. So here, far more inventive, right? Which means like creative. Okay, and the photocopier has stopped working for times this week, and the air conditioning hasn't been working for a month. These continuous breakdowns, coupled with the continual heat, have resulted in many short tempers. So here, continual heat. So these continuous breakdowns coupled with the continual heat, here, continual heat. So with continued heat problems or something like that, it should be, or continuous heat. Bakın burada arkasında bir isim gelmemesi bunu bir sıfat yapmıyor. Okay? Burada continual buradan kalkacak. Heat problems olabilir ya da continual heat problems olabilir. Arkasına isim gelmesi gerekiyor. The financial controller is not very approachable. In fact, some employers find him a little bit frightened. Evet. Kendi öğrencilerimden de bildiğim, hepimizin çok karıştırdığı frightened mı, frightening mi? So, feeling adjectives are the adjectives we use with ed. So, I feel frightened, but something is frightening or somebody is frightening. So, kendi duygularımdan bahsederken arkadaşlar sıfatların sıfatların ed halini kullanırım. Olayı anlatırken çok korkutucu. He is a very frightening man. So this means I am frightened, right? So the correct answer is this. Her argument was not very convincing, and several of her colleagues were extremely criticized of her suggestions. So this can't be a verb here. By the way, if we use the verb, we should criticize for, not of. So here I need to write critical here. So this is the end of grammar part. See you in the next part. Bye bye.